In order to build your digital innovation system, let me start by explaining you what are the SAP Leonardo technologies.
Leonardo runs on ACP Cloud Platform. However, it's open and will be available to run in infrastructures like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. It comprises four elements: infrastructure, application, services, and technology. We provide a set of 6 technologies and services that can be infused in your business processes to achieve outstanding results, such as the machine learning, big data, analytics, data intelligence, blockchain, and IoT, the Internet of Things. Moreover, ACP encompasses all the technologies needed to enhance existing applications, create new apps from scratch, and leverage off-the-shelf applications, such as the edge processing, security, runtimes, mobility, integrations, and analytics. It also encompasses programming languages like Java, Python, and Ruby. So let's start by machine learning set. Through ACP Cloud Platform, you can consume 5 applications: ACP Cache Application, ACP Brand Impact, Service Ticketing, Fraud Management, Customer Retention. As an example, let's see how ACP Cache Application can help you match open receivables to incoming bank statement using machine learning. The next ACP Leonardo technology is big data. Allows you to ingest data from various data lakes. Enable you to deal with data that does not reside necessarily in the boundaries of ACP Cloud Platform. Let's see what eBay is doing.
eBay is a place that brings buyers and sellers together. 30,000 new buyers or bidders come to eBay every day. Every 6 seconds, a pair of shoes is sold. We are working with a massive data set. It's more than 50 petabytes. Finding signal in that massive amount of data is hard. Having to separate those signals from the noise, which takes a lot of time. You only know a signal when it's different than the trend. This is very hard to do across thousands, tens of thousands of different variables. Finding that signal after a month, not so useful. Finding that signal so that we can do something with that signal, act on that signal, a day, now that becomes very interesting. So if we take men's collectible basketball sneakers, and we know that collectible sneakers, the last Olympics are selling really well, we want to tell our sellers that.
So the user just has to feed in their metric, doesn't have to really worry about which algorithm is the best to detect the signals in a given metric. At the same time, We'll be able to use the system because it's inherently intelligent.
So what's exciting to me about the speed of HANA is that great people become exceptional at what they do because of the speed that they can interact with the data. That is truly awesome. That is where I think the world is headed. Signals is just the beginning though, and we've taken the first step on the journey towards that kind of advanced understanding of what's happening in the eBay economy.
Analytics portfolio is composed by ACP Analytics Cloud, ACP Predictive Analytics, and the Digital Boardroom. Let's see how Cisco system is using ACP Predictive Analytics to get deep insights about what customers are going to buy.
So Cisco is a $50 billion company. We are in the computer networking business. The interesting challenge that we have in sales is that we're not looking at one data set. When you get to be a large company, growth is not just the only metric you have to look at, but you also have to look at profitability. In the old world, we would have to go to 10 different systems, pull the data, try to figure out how to combine that at our desktop, and that would, I would say, in a project that would account for about 80% of the effort. Recently, we deployed predictive analytics to get us the deep insights that we need to make on our customers, what they're going to buy, and also in terms of what we're going to sell, help drive internal decision making. And when the team that I lead is an analytics function, and what we want to be doing is we want to spend 80% of our time analyzing the data, looking for insights, not manipulating the data and getting it ready for the insights. The account managers wake up every day knowing which account they have to call on. They have a choice of hundreds of different products that they can sell, and actually the expectation is that they are going to sell those hundreds of products. And what we found with predictive analytics is that it helps when you have to make a lot of decisions. And so the innovation that we're looking for in terms of something measurable is that if we can help these account managers sell $250,000 more, that adds up being $1 billion of opportunity for us.
Let's move to the next building block of ACP Leonardo, data intelligence. Allows you to ingest data from various standardized data sources into the platform, such as the weather, traffic, benchmarks, marketing, etc. This allows you to augment the analysis capability of your decisions. The blockchain. Everything that requires trust, blockchain is the mean. That is, if all actors in the chain from your suppliers to your customers needs to trust in the data, you have the ACP blockchain piece. As an example, you can track and trace materials back to the source, prove authenticity and origin, get ahead from recalls, and accelerate the flow of goods. ACP blockchain operates in two ecosystems, Hyperledger and the multi-chain. The last of the 6 ACP Leonardo technologies is IoT, Internet of Things, and it is composed by the ACP Leonardo Bridge, ACP IoT applications, and ACP IoT services.